The smart reverse vending machine, with an attractive and modern external outlook. It comprises atmospheric light encasement for the perfect aesthetics. The deposit slots are helmed by automatic mechanism. When the door touches the hand, it will automatically retract with anti-collision protection. It features 2 deposit slots which could function simultaneously to deposit aluminum cans and plastic PET bottles. An AI camera is also in place for shape recognition and will automatically reject any foreign objects that do not fit the deposit criteria. A weight sensor is installed to ensure that the recyclables deposited are empty of all fluids. Recyclables with fluid will be automatically rejected and returned to user. Sensors installed will track the quantity of recyclables deposited and tally the deposit summary. Machine will notify the administrator via cloud technology once the capacity is filled. Users are able to log in via mobile number or scanning QR code.